Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to explain how to find or recover your forgotten Roblox password. So if you're using your web browser, you need to go to roblox.com and log into your specific account as well. So if you're using a web browser, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and go to settings. Now from here, go to autofill and passwords, then go to the section of Google Password Manager, and here search for the Roblox website. You can see that the roblox.com has two accounts saved in my browser, and enter your password to access it. Then you can tap on this eye icon beside the password section and you can view it. Then you can go ahead and log into your Roblox account. And there are also other dedicated password manager apps. Check if you have standalone password manager apps installed on your device if you're using mobile or iPad. And if you can't find your password, you can access your Roblox on any device where you are already signed in. Then tap on this gear icon in the top right. Select the quick sign in option. And on your new device, you need to open the login page, select quick sign in to get a code and enter that code here in this field and tap on continue. This way, you should be able to log into your Roblox account and reset your password. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.